As your programs grow, you may want to break down a package into sub-packages. For example, let's imagine our e-commerce package has grown a lot. We have so many files and modules here. So we decide to break this package into a few sub-packages. So I'm going to add a new folder here, call it shopping, and then move the sales module in this folder. So on the top, we have the e-commerce package, and under that, we have the shopping package. Now, currently, shopping is not a package because in this folder, we don't have the init file. So let's add a new file, _init_.py. Now back to app.py. Once again, Python cannot find our sales module. So to fix this issue, we need to add the name of our new sub package here. So e-commerce.shopping.